Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power 4 is equals to x minus 1 power 4, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll take all terms together. So x power 4 minus x minus 1 power 4 is equals to 0. So x power 4 I can write it as x square whole square minus, similarly this is x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. So here we can use the very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as x square plus x minus 1 whole square and x square minus x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. So x square plus, here we can use the identity, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write it as x square plus 1 minus 2x. And here again we can use the first one, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So x square plus x minus 1 or x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So if we solve this, so this is 2x square minus 2x plus 1, and here if we multiply, this becomes x, and this also x because it is whole square. So x plus x is 2x minus 1, and here x will eliminate, so only 1. So 2x square minus 2x plus 1 or 2x minus 1. We have two cases. Now case 1, when 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, so 2x is equals to, we'll take minus 1 to other side 1, and x is equals to 2 in multiplication when comes to other side in division. X is 1 by 2. We'll write the values. X, in this case, 1 by 2. Now comes to case second. 2x square minus 2x plus 1. So here we use quadratic formula and we compare it. Ax square minus plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So here a is 2, b is minus 2, and c is 1. So formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b minus minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. So here 2 plus minus under root, when we solve under root, 4 minus 8 divided by 2. So 2 plus minus under root minus 4 by 2. So 2 plus minus under root, we can write it as 4 multiply minus 1 divided by 2. So we know that minus 1 under root, we can call it as iota. So 2 plus minus 2 iota divided by 2. If we'll take 2 common, so 1 plus minus iota divided by 2, we cancel out. So we have two values of x. First is 1 plus iota divided by iota, and the second is 1 minus iota. So we have three values, 1 by 2, 1 plus iota, or 1 minus iota. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.